In today's application video from the lab at Ambrell, we are heating an alloy to a target temperature of 1850 degrees Fahrenheit or 1010 degrees Celsius using an Ambrell EASYHEAT induction heating system. This application involves preheating for forging to manufacture fasteners, and benefits of induction heating include speed, energy efficiency, precision heating, and workplace safety. All right, as you can see, we are setting up the application. The power is now on. And as you can see, we are rapidly achieving the target temperature of 1850 degrees Fahrenheit. That wraps up today's application video. This has been another video from the lab at Ambrell.